Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to the Clover Power Cooking School. My name is Allison, this is Ariana, and this is Megan, and we're students studying dietetics at Iowa State University, and this is our cooking team.
Today we're making a snack recipe, which are energy bites from the Iowa State University Spend Smart, Eat Smart website.
Let's get started with our recipe today. The first thing we want to make sure before starting any recipe is washing our hands. I've already washed mine, but if you haven't done so, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you get in between your fingers and under your nails with warm soapy water. Once our hands are washed, you can grab your ingredients. We already have ours mise en place. Mise en place means you prepare and organize your ingredients before you begin cooking or baking. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cups of oats, 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For supplies, you'll need a large mixing bowl, smaller mixing bowls for separating out your ingredients, measuring cups and spoons, a scooper to scoop the energy bites, a spatula, and a cookie sheet to place the energy bites on.
The oats here are our main source of carbohydrates for our recipe today. They give our body energies to live, run, play, and learn, and they have B vitamins and fiber, which help our bodies turn our food into energy.
This peanut butter is great for our bodies and a great source of healthy fat and protein. Healthy fat and proteins in foods also help us feel fuller when we eat.
These chia seeds are also a great source of fiber and healthy fats. They don't taste like anything and are great for our digestion. They also make us feel fuller longer and support our brains.
Perfect, so now it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. We'll go ahead and add our chocolate chips, our coconut flakes, our cranberries, our honey, thank you. And then last but not least, after the honey, we'll add our vanilla extract in. The rubber scraper will be helpful to grab all of the honey out of the bowl. And then vanilla extract. Alrighty, so now we'll start mixing.
For students or classrooms with tree nut, peanut, or coconut allergies, items can now be substituted for sun butter, gluten-free, oats, or swapping coconut for dried cranberries. Once ingredients are mixed together, take a cookie sheet covered with foil or parchment paper, take the mixture by the spoonful and roll them into individual balls and refrigerate for 1 hour. Today we used oats, peanut butter, and honey for our recipe, but what other things could you use to make these energy bites?
I think I'd like to add Greek yogurt to mine. Also, if you're looking for a lower sugar option, swap out the chocolate chips for more dried cranberries.
The fiber in this recipe is mainly found in the chia seeds and oats.
What's one way you can increase your fiber this week? Think about it.
We hope you enjoyed making this snack, and we hope you'll enjoy tasting it too. Thanks for cooking with us today.